Right now I'm in this trade on Nasdaq. Let me show you how it's looking. This is how it's looking. Normally I'm supposed to have my TP at the external high, but this is way too close, and it will just be a 1 to 0.5, and I'm not doing that. I don't think anyone do that. So I'm just going to aim for a 1 to 2, or actually I might just aim for a 1 to 1.5, just because it's Friday. I guess we should be around $442. So once price takes out this high, I'm going to break even. Let me show you on this is my master account on TradingView. This is how it looks like on my Fusion account. As you can see, this is a 25k account. I'm just up $166. And so no need to add a different take profit here, because once the master account closes, that other one will also close. So I'm going to keep you updated on how this trade turns out to be. So watching this, yes, if price should take out this low, I would likely close the whole position out. This low, this is the 5-minute chart. So basically, yeah, my entry was the displacement of this candle. So if price should take out this low, it has already taken it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for another re-entry. Closing everything out now. So what I would like to see is another displacement, because I wanted this displacement low, the low of this candle, to stay untouched. So as it has already been taken out, what I will do is I'll wait for another displacement to see if I can get another bias to the upside. Okay, so right now, yeah, if price should close as a displacement that is above this candle's high, I'm going to go in at the break of the displacement. Let me just take out this execution mark to make this a little bit neater. So this candle is about to close in around 1.5 minutes. So let's see. I just got in these buys. So like I said, same break even protocol. Once price takes out these 15-minute highs, I break even. Price is really close to the break even point. So I really hate when things like this happen, you know, where you get your entry really close to a swing high, because I break even once price takes out a 15-minute resistance after the 5-minute close. So let's see if I'm going to lose this or if I'm going to win. I'm going to aim for a 1.5R. Nothing crazy. So let's see how this one turns out. I'll keep you updated, definitely. Now, as you can see, price has taken out this high. This might be a break-even day, because what I want to see right now is for price to displace immediately through this high. I don't want it to consolidate around here. I don't want it to make any deep retracement. So if this 5 minutes close, if this 5-minute candle closes and it's still at break-even entry, or it's a little bit in loss, I will just I would exit the whole trade manually. So as you can see, price has taken out this high. So let's see how this 5-minute candle closes, and that will determine if I'll break even or not. Okay, so the 5-minute candle just closed. So I'm going to break even here. I don't know, just in case. I don't mind losing a little. I don't mind losing a little to find out. Yeah, so let's find out. trade is still going. I'm exhausted. Yeah. So this is where the trade is right now. It's just around $250, which is barely even 1%. So I think I'm just going to close out because it's the weekend, and had it been price hasn't gotten to my TP, I would say okay, let me hold. But then it has gotten to my TP. I'm just looking to gain extra, and I don't want any situation where price gaps down tomorrow. Although price may actually gap up, I don't think there's any way price would not take out this liquidity. But then I'm tired. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I just recorded this Friday. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I just recorded today though, because that was the only day I got a trade. There was no point of recording when there was no trade. Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for the next episode and the next episode, and subscribe, turn on notification, and leave a like. Thank you for watching, and as always, good trading.